In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Blogger account. To get started, open your web browser and go to blogger.com. This is the official website for Blogger, which is Google's blogging platform. If you're new to blogging, Blogger is a simple place to begin because it's connected to your Google account and it's easy to set up. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Create Your Blog and click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page so you can connect the Google account you want to use with Blogger. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, you may see a list of accounts right away. If not, Google will ask you to sign in first. Next, choose the Google account you want to use to sign up. This is the account that will be linked to your Blogger profile and used to manage your blog. It's a good idea to select the account you plan to keep using for blogging, especially if you want all of your blog settings, posts, and activity to stay organized in one place. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your Google account password carefully. As always, make sure you're on the official Google sign-in page before entering any login details, especially if you're following along from a shared or public device. If you're on your own device, you can usually continue more quickly, but it's still worth checking that everything looks correct. Once your password is entered, click Next. Google will then sign you in and continue the setup process for Blogger. Depending on your account settings, you might briefly see loading screens while Google connects your account to the Blogger platform. After that, you'll be inside your new Blogger account. At this point, your account has been created successfully and you're ready to start using Blogger. From here, you can begin exploring the dashboard and move on to setting up your blog when you're ready. A quick tip before you continue. If the sign-in page doesn't load correctly, refresh the page or try using a different browser. Also, if you have more than one Google account, double check that you signed in with the correct one, since that's the account your Blogger access will be attached to. And that's it. You've now created your Blogger account and you're ready to start your blogging journey.